Good morning, class 12th. Today we will discuss a very important topic. Generally, from this topic, the question can be asked from your CBSE exams. From this part, generally, 1 mark question is very important. So kindly be focused on the topic. So today we are going to just know the what will be the effect of dielectric when. In this case, we will discuss the two cases. When first part, when the capacitor connected with the battery. ठीक है, this will be the first part, and second part will be when capacitor disconnected from the battery. Disconnected from the battery means in this case the capacitor will be connected with the battery, and in this case the capacitor will not be connected with the battery. So I am going just saying this is the capacitor, okay, and this is the battery, ठीक, and this is the switch like this, है ना. हम क्या करेंगे, प्लस माइनस कैपेसिटेंस इज C. In this case we will be connected with the battery, but in this case this is the capacitor and this is the battery, है ना. This is the plus terminal, this is the minus terminal, switch is on. इसमें हम डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे बैटरी को, बैटरी से किसको, कैपेसिटर को, and the capacitance is C. Okay, so I just want to know what will the effect on the properties. Like first property, what, that is charge. ठीक है, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज चार्ज, कि चार्ज पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा. ओके, एज यू नो कि द बैटरी इज कनेक्टेड टू क्रिएट अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. सो फर्स्ट कीप इन योर माइंड कि देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट ऑन पोटेंशियल. As you know, a battery is used to just produce a potential difference. So when you will introduce a dielectric in between the plates of capacitor, when it will be connected with the battery, there is no effect on potential. Keep in mind the third part, that is capacitance. Okay, when we have done the parallel plate capacitor, that time I have told you कि whenever the dielectric will insert in between the plate of the capacitor, the capacitance become K times, है ना. अब now if we will see the formula, तो Q question क्या होता है, CV. V is same, capacitance become K times, so but obvious है Q also becomes the K times. Now I am going to find the fourth one, that is electric field. अच्छा, you know the formula of electric field, E equals to V by D. Okay, D is capacitance, the separation between the plates is same, V becomes same, so obviously electric field will also be the same. Now fifth one quantity is the energy. अच्छा, you know the energy formula of क्या, 1/2 CV square. This is the energy stored in the capacitor. Now you know कि V is same, है ना, C becomes K times, then obviously the U also becomes the K times. So whenever you will introduce any dielectric, when the capacitor will be connected with the battery, the charge will become K times, potential will be same, electric field will be same, capacitance become K times. Say in the same way, energy will also become the K times. Now I will see what will be happen if the capacitor is disconnected from the battery. So I'm just want to know first quantity, that is electric potential. ठीक है. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल का बेटा फॉर्मूला देखा तो V इक्वल्स टू क्या होता है, 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, है ना, Q by R square. तो indirectly V is inversely proportional to epsilon naught. So electric potential will become 1/K times. Clear? Because we have disconnected from the battery now, so obviously potential will vary. Now the second part, what? This is electric field. Electric field E equals to what? V by D. Obviously, if V become 1/K times, so obviously electric field will be also becomes 1/K times. Now the third part, that is capacitance. capacitance become K times, you know the formula, C equals to A epsilon upon D. So C, when the dielectric will be filled, the C equals to A epsilon not K by D. Right? So it will be K times. Now I am just solving the fourth one, that is charge. Q equals to what? CV. Now just look. C is K times. V is 1 upon K times. K से K cancel. So obviously charge will be what? Same. Now fifth one, that is energy. U equals to what? Half CV square. Okay. C K times. V is 1 upon K times, and V is having the square. That means 1 upon K square. So that means the energy will becomes 1 upon K times. Okay? So this type of questions from this topic, the question can be asked from in the 1 mark type. So what will be the happen if the charge will be, if the dielectric will be introduced between the plates of a capacitor when connected with the battery, what will the effect on the potential, what will the effect on electric field, what will the effect on energy. The same type of question can be asked in the from the disconnected from the battery. So kindly be prepared for with this topic. Okay, tomorrow we will start the next topic. Thank you so much.